Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got my first beauty cracker for the year to share with you, and it's from Next. Next have released 4 different multi-brand crackers. This one is the Festive Glow. It is worth over £80 and all the crackers cost £20. If you're interested in this one or wanting to take a look at the others, as always, you'll find a link to them down below in my description, and I'll pop up a link to the whole page because as well as these multi-branded beauty crackers, there are some like L'Occitane, Cowshed and a few more as well. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. I love that more and more websites are doing beauty crackers each year. They make really great Christmas gifts, Secret Santas and things like that. I love the design of this one as well, the cracker. So I'll pop that there. So I went for the Festival Glow Edit. So I've got 5 products. We got some samples in here as well, but it looks like I've got quite a few full-size ones. Starting off, we've got Neal's Yard Remedies, and this is Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Booster. Plumps and intensely hydrates with hibiscus extract, certified vegan, and there's 25 mils in there. The bottle is absolutely stunning. Hopefully you can see there on camera, but it's a gorgeous blue bottle. All of their skincare products are in this blue glass. It is really, really nice. So we've got a Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Booster there, Serum. We've got a Hello Sunday, and this is SPF 30, the takeout one. Invisible Sun Stick, high protection for all year round. And there's 30 grams there. So let's open it up. Oh, look. See the jelly? I'll just apply it to my hands. Just want to sniff it. No, doesn't really have a smell to it. When it goes on my hand, it feels really slimy, and I was thinking, oh no, it's going to be like an oil, but it's gone. I can still see there's a bit of shine on my hand there, but it's gone. It's absorbed into my hand really, really nicely. Yeah, that's a good one. I just added more on, might as well cover up my hands as I'm going in the car in a bit. Always neglect my hands. I intend to always put SPF on them, but I forget. I really do like the formula of this. It leaves my hands feeling really soft and not sticky, tacky, anything. Yeah, a bit unusual, but I like it. And then we've got Dermalogica, and this is special cleansing gel. Gentle foaming cleanser, and there's 50 mils there. Formulated without artificial fragrances or colours, certified cruelty-free and vegan. It's soap-free foaming gel, cleanses all skin conditions. There you go. Yeah, these nails are mad, aren't they? I got them from Primark for like £1.80. They're just really long and scratchy. I have to wear stick-on ones for now, but I cannot wait to have my nails done properly in a salon in about 3-4 weeks time, hopefully. These are a little bit too long for me, but we've got Earle Skin Repair Light Cream, suitable for all skin types. Dramatically boosts skin's moisture instantly with 72 hours of hydration. Naturally active ingredients: borage seed oil, avocado oil, and echinacea. What's that? Echinacea? I cannot say that. Cruelty free. And there is 15 mils there. So a nice moisturising cream. And then lastly, we have got a sample size of Elizabeth Arden Hyaluronic Acid and Peptides. It says new on here. Hydra-Plumping Serum. I love that Elizabeth Arden do these. So you've got a 7-day supply there. So you get a good chance to see what it's like, if you like it, if your skin likes it, etc. But yeah, Hyaluronic Acid and Peptides, Ceramide capsules. Plump, fill and restore. Yeah, I like that. And there we go. Those are all the items inside the Festival Glow Edit beauty cracker from Next. 5 products in total, has a value of around £80, can be bought for £22. Let me know what you think. If you've bought one for yourself, you bought one as a Christmas present, or if you're interested in seeing any of the others. And if there's any others that you'd like to see me unbox, then yeah, as always, let me know. I forgot to mention, I've got a Glossy Box Advent Calendar giveaway running over on my Facebook page and on Instagram. You'll see a link down below in my description. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.